In this training session, we're looking at recurring charges, and I'm going to discuss the custom price option. Now, where would we use this option? If you add a recurring charge, you will see when you select your items that you have an option here that will allow you to specify different price types. If you choose lookup imported price, when you process, it's then going to refer to a file that's got this price. Now, this option is normally used for utility bills. In other words, let's say you've got recurring charges for people who rent homes from you and you want to charge them for their water and electricity. Then every month that charge will change and you'll just import that CSV file. Now, to show you what the file looked like, I've got a little file here that I've created. I'm just going to say open it with Notepad, and this is my file. In other words, it must be account, code, quantity and price, making sure that the detail here is correct. So I'm now going to go to custom pricing and say import. It says yes. You go to where you've got your CSV file and you say open. Now it actually comes up with an error. It says there is an error. Go look at the error tab. So my first item, my first line is correct. But if you go to errors, it comes up here saying this item has got an invalid stock code. So you've got to make sure that you go back to your CSV file and type in the correct code. But what else can we do here? We can specify if the price must be inclusive or exclusive. We can clear data before importing, or you can update it with existing items, or just ignore the existing items. We can sort. We can create a filter here. We can delete one or we can delete all. We've already spoken about import, and once we've done this, we can close. And when you process and it needs the data for that specific price lookup, then it will use the data that you've imported. And that concludes the custom pricing option while busy with recurring charges.